Yesterday, I looked up some trending cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap and Ava came first, and I realized just how much I might have been sleeping on the travel sector of crypto. This is a native token of Traveler, an online travel company. I also noticed how big other traveling platforms tokens have become, the likes of Airbnb. By market cap, Airbnb's ABNB surpasses Traveler's Ava, but I think that Ava has some potential in the long run, especially with CZ acknowledging in a tweet about investing in Traveler during the COVID and pre-crypto winter. And also Bitget making an official announcement for the token's listing on the 15th of December at 11 o'clock UTC. It's also a festive period, so I get it if the token pops up as trending tokens. It indicates that the token is currently in demand by people who are currently booking for travels and some holiday getaways. For its practical usage, I believe in this token too, so I am open to giving a shot at it during the listing. Tell me what you think on traveling sector of crypto.